Yo, 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 and welcome to Easy Tiger. So today we're going to show you at home how we make our espresso martini. If you've ever tried our espresso martini, then you know it's good. I'm not going to say it's the best in town, but if you know, you know. The last few weeks I've been watching something trending on the internet, and I've seen people adding Parmesan to their espresso martini. So we thought, let's try it and see what it tastes like. We'll let you know. So first we're going to chill our glass. And now we're going to add our ingredients. So we're going to start with 10 ml of sugar syrup, .45 ml of freshly grounded coffee, .20 ml of Kahlua, and 45 ml of vodka. We're using Grey Goose, but you can use any vodka you want. Now let's get shaken. Now you can double strain, but we're just going to use a single strainer for this. Now, if you're familiar with the Easy Tiger Espresso Martini, we like to garnish ours with a Ferrero Rocher. Now let's add that Parmesan. Now, I've honestly never tried this, so let's see how it tastes. Terry, I'm gonna have to make you one. You're gonna have to try this in Easy Tiger. Ask for the Parmesan Espresso Martini. You're gonna love it. The two best things I like, chocolate and cheese. It's incredible. And coffee. Spot on.